Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you a craft today that you can do at home with really simple materials. And it is called a blue sky with rainbow. And I don't know if you've ever seen this craft before, but I think it's really pretty and it's really fun. Now you can make the cloud. I have the blue cloud just because I like the color, but you can make a white cloud if you have white paper. And then all you do is glue on some of these nice little powder puffs, cotton balls, onto the front to make this look like this. And then the little rainbow effect is created with all kinds of strips of tissue paper. And I just cut out a whole bunch of them. And you could also use construction paper if you like. It doesn't have to be crepe paper or tissue paper. It can be construction paper. But I just like using these because then they float. And the kids probably think that's pretty cool that they can fly them almost like a kite. If you brought it outside, it would be really pretty for them to just play with. Or you could hang it up on a window. It would be a real pretty decoration that way also. And I just took a piece of tape and I put a piece of yarn up here so that they can hang it up. There you go. You have a blue sky with rainbow. And I think it's pretty and it's fun and it's easy. And I think the kids would like making it. All right, thank you very much for listening. Happy crafting.